Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have for sale this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. So a lovely bike is this one. It's 2020 on a 20 plate and it's on 5,146 miles from new. It is the Ninja 1000, so it is a newer model, and you get the full colour TFT display, you get the rider modes, you get cruise control, you get traction, you get ABS, you get a quick shifter. This one's got the panniers on there as well, it's got the Arrow exhaust system, it's also got the standard one as well. It's got the tail tidy on there, it's got the Kawasaki hot grips, it's got the R&G protection on there. The screens are adjustable, so you can press a little button down there and have that up or down. There's 4 different stages of where that lies, but they're just an all-round great bike. They just tick every single box. They're super comfortable. These new Ninjas now, they've got all the electronics you could ever really want on them. And like I say, if you want to go touring, you've got the luggage on there as well to do so. So they're a really good all-round everyday bike. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get this one bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.